Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add promotional pop-up to Squarespace website. The first thing you want to do once in your Squarespace website, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Marketing. After selecting Marketing, right below Engagement, you will see Promotional pop-up. You are going to tap on that. And you are going to be redirected to this page, and on this page you'll see display pop-up. You can simply toggle it on. As you can see right here, here is an example, and once you have done that, you'll simply tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.